Maame Poku, and the name of my venture is Emergency Response Africa. My venture is helping transform how medical emergencies are being managed in Africa, starting in Nigeria. So we help deliver emergency medical care to victims at the scene through a network of trained first responders, ambulance providers, and hospital partners. And all of this is enabled by a technology that allows us to provide an end-to-end seamless emergency transfer. My experience so far has been very exciting. Just being part of this cohort, I've learned a lot by engaging with my peers in the cohort, as well as the mentors and the investors that we've come by. It's been a very pleasant experience for me so far. My venture has benefited in 3 different ways. So first is the learnings. We took part in a number of workshops and we learned a lot. So some workshops that we got a lot of insights from were the pricing workshops as well as the KPI setting workshops. Second, we've been able to build a huge network both with the mentors and the investors that we've been talking to, as well as our peers within the cohort, and we feel very excited to be part of this cohort. Finally, we've also benefited by the support we've received from the program in its entirety. So the support with what we need as a startup, building a sustainable business model, as well as the funding that we got. So during the program, we managed to launch a new product. And this was as a result of sitting back and thinking through what the problem was and what our solution is. And so looking at our current user base, we had the opportunity to dig deeper into what their exact needs are, who they were, and then we came up with a new product called the Emergency Travel Safe Plan. So for people living outside Nigeria, they're able to buy this plan as they travel into Nigeria for Christmas, maybe for the year, and so whenever they have an emergency, they can call us and we'll be there to attend to them. So this is one of the big milestones that we've been able to accomplish during the program. My highlight moment was being able to attend the Elevate conference back in Toronto. So this was enabled by the AIC team, and so we were able to get a ticket to attend Elevate. And so within Elevate, not only did we get to engage with the various investors and have meaningful conversations with them, but I also got to experience the conference and learn about the new normal and how to run a company being remote, how to run a company in an economy where things are falling apart. And so for me, that was the highlight. I learned a lot during that conference, and it was really beneficial and it was really generous to get that ticket from the program. The AIC team has been nothing but pleasant, friendly to us. Again, they've been very engaging, they've been very supportive, and there hasn't been a question that I've asked that they haven't been able to support me with. It's been such a pleasure working with them, and yeah, I look forward to learning more from them as well. Beyond the African Impact Challenge program, my company is looking to achieve more in terms of scaling. So we've been able to build a good network here. We've learned a lot more about what our product is and building a sustainable business around it. So we're looking to scale outside this program. We've built the connections with the various people that we've talked to, and we're anticipating that with that network that we've built and engaged with, we're able to scale to other countries such as Ghana and Kenya.